This is potato, cucumber, carrot. Black pepper, salt. I'm going to mix together. Cheese, baking pan here. We are going to transfer it into our baking pan. So guys, we are finished arranging it, so we are going to put it in the oven and allow it to bake at the float while we top the meat. So guys, it's ready, so we are going to be adding our ingredient. So first, give me one. We are going to go in with corn. Cream. We used this cream lemon yesterday, so for him not to waste, we are not going to be using tomatoes, we are going to be using cream. Go in with meat.
Mommy make it hot.
Wow. Cheese again. So we are going to put it in the oven and allow it to bake one more time. Our pizza is ready.